In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from Slack. Before we begin, a quick note on what we're doing and who can do it. Removing someone in Slack is done by deactivating their account. This immediately signs them out and prevents future access while preserving their messages and files so your team's history stays intact. You'll need to be a Workspace owner or admin to perform this action. If you're not, ask someone with the right permissions to follow along. Start by going to slack.com in your browser. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple organizations. Using the wrong workspace is a common mistake, so check the workspace name or logo to confirm you're in the right place. Next, open the workspace drop down. You'll typically find this near your workspace name. It might appear as the workspace name, an icon, or a small arrow. This menu is your central hub for workspace level options, and it's where administrative controls live. From there, click Tools and Settings. This takes you to an area that groups together workspace-wide controls. It's a helpful place to get familiar with since you'll find many of the settings that affect members and governance here. Now click Admin Tools. This is where you'll access the administrative dashboard for managing people and policies. It's designed to keep member management straightforward with options clearly organized so you can find what you need quickly. Choose Manage Members. You'll see a list of everyone in your workspace, including full members and any guests. If your list is long, use the search bar to locate the person by name. Double check that you've selected the correct account, especially if multiple people have similar names or if there are guest accounts for external collaborators. Select the member you want to remove and click the three dots next to their name. These three dots open action options specific to that person. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right user, as changes here affect their access immediately. Finally, click Deactivate Account. Slack may prompt you to confirm the action. Once confirmed, the person will be signed out across devices and won't be able to log back in. Their messages and files remain in place, preserving context in channels and DMs. If needed later, an admin can reactivate the account, restoring access without recreating the user from scratch. That's it. You've safely removed someone from Slack while keeping your workspace history intact. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to verify the correct user before deactivating to avoid disrupting the wrong account.